Medalha de prata representando o Brasil, Felipe Almeida.
Hold on to your hats. Hold on to the roof. The fans will be chanting his name for quite some time to come. The man who had to force himself to train at home because there was a lack of funding available to him. Been shooting since he was 8 years old. Gold at the Pan American Games last year. The world #1. Puts a smile on the face of the Brazilians here. He takes silver.
Médaille d'or et champion olympique représentant le Vietnam.
Gold medalist and Olympic champion representing Vietnam.
Medalha de ouro e campeão olímpico representando o Vietnã.
Quang Xuan Binh.
Well, what a drama we had at the end of that competition. He shot himself a 9.2, looked like he was going to have to take silver, but recovered it with a 10.7. He missed the finals in London. He didn't miss much here in Rio. The man from Vietnam keeps his cool and is the Olympic champion.
Congratulations. It was a great competition. Excellent performance.
Ranked #6, but that doesn't matter so much as being the Olympic champion.
Ladies and gentlemen, the anthem of Vietnam.
Senhoras e senhores, o hino do Vietnã.
Emotional scenes for Quang Xuan Binh. He takes the gold, and Wei with the bronze, Felipe Wu with the silver, and from Vietnam, Quang Xuan Binh with the gold. Those are our medalists in the 10-metre air pistol events.